Yo, what's poppin', my goons? We back. Oh yeah, right back to that credit game for the goons. You know who, you know what it do. The one and only Spontaneous Productions, Part 2. We about to blast off. It's time to get busy. It's time to get that business funding. Everybody want to get funded up. They want to get that bag. They want to get that credit. They want to turn that credit into cash. They want to get it all fast. Straight like that. Well, we're going to get active like we always do about this time. Congratulations. Qualified, baby. Qualified. The number one channel for the goons to get that credit blasted off. Yo, I got a site for you goons today. This is a site that's going to help you build credit for your business, all right? This is a site that I use. You can get business credit started up because you need trade lines. This is one site for a trade line, and I'm going to give you goons a review. It's like a 3-month review, and that site is Fair Figure, all right? That is fairfigure.com, my goons. So pull up to the site, fairfigure.com. Alright? Straight like that. Fair Figure. Fund your business with the Fair Figure card. Build your business credit. Get credit ratings. Monitor your business credit scores with the number one fastest growing business credit platform. We're gonna get started. You heard? Baddie alert. She can get it. Get that ugly ass going off my page, you heard? Another baddie. She can get it. Baddie alert. Even some Asian persuasion. Little mulattoes. Look at that hair. Grab her by the hair and get busy. So yo, we're gonna pull up to Fair Figure, and what they do with Fair Figure, pretty much they report 2 trade lines. All right, now there's pros and cons, and I'm gonna get into it, but they report to Credit Safe, they report to Equifax Business, and SBFE. Okay, Small Business Financial Exchange. That's like a secondary business bureau, okay? And they said next month they're gonna start reporting to DNB, Dun & Bradstreet, but we'll see. Only time will tell. You heard? Do me a solid though. Smash on the like and subscribe button right now. Right freaking now, my girls. Do it. Straight like that. So I'm giving you crazy gems like we always do, all right? Straight like that. So, yo, pull up. Step 1, you got to get your business. So I showed you guys how to get your business. You already know how to get your business. Brand new business, LLC, get all that. Your EIN. Step 2, you know, you're going to apply for the Fair Figure card. This is a business only. No personal guarantee needed. EIN only, all right? And then with this card, you're going to have to grow your business trade line before you get that card, all right? So I'll get into it in a minute, all right? So the thing with this is that you have to get a trade line. It's $30, all right? So $30 a month for the Fair Figure card, all right? $30 a month, and you're basically gonna get credit report monitoring, all right? So you're gonna get multi-bureau business credit monitoring service. Pretty much that's what you're gonna get. You know, credit monitoring is, you know, pretty much what it looks like. You know, they monitor your scores, and it's going to report as the utility trade line. All right, utility trade line. You get business credit monitoring. It's a utility trade line. Okay, it's going to report to the 3 credit bureaus. All right, the 3 that it just mentioned. So you need that, and it's going to report as a trade line. All right, so it's going to be a utility trade line. Basically, it's still a trade line. It's like a net 30 trade line. All right. And they got business credit correct in case some information is not right. You can just fix it on the site. And then after you're gonna get a score, and after you get a score, you can apply for this credit card, and that's how you get this Fair Figure credit card. As you can see, it's $30 a month, straight like that. So it's easy to get, and no credit check. You know, hit the frequently asked questions. You know, it's EIN only funding, my goons. EIN funding, and you know, it's basically a card that is easy to get. Okay. But you're not going to get it off rip. You know, business credit monitoring services. How can they help me? You just go to the facts, frequently asked questions. Business credit monitoring services like Fair Figure help small businesses owners in 5 main ways. Credit monitoring services allow you to quickly identify any errors that could potentially harm your business credit score. Okay, you got to have all your information lined up across the board so you don't get denied when you do start applying, all right, in about like three to 6 months, all right? So, you get credit monitoring to keep you up to date with how your business is performing, all right? And then, you can always know that you're getting a business trade line. It's reporting every month, okay? It's reporting every month as a business trade line, which is boosting your business credit score because you need that, all right? You got to boost your paydex score. You got to boost your score for Credit Safe. You got to boost your score for Equifax and Experian. This one don't report to business Experian, all right? So just know that. But still, you want to have them mixed up across the board. They said Dun & Bradstreet. Next month, it'll start reporting. But I've been using it for 3 months already, and it's been reporting. So I'm keeping it all the way real. Now, I am qualified to get funding here, but I'm also not qualified, and I'm going to explain the reason why. Okay? So Fair Figure, you know what? I'm going to just go to my account. So I'm going to pull up to my account, Fair Figure. I'm going to hit the dashboard. So this is what it looks like when you hit the dashboard, my goons, Fair Figure dashboard. So they have different scores now. Fair Figure has a foundation score. This is the internal scoring system they use. All right, you need a 25 to get approved for funding. So basically, they're saying I'm approved for $5,159 for funding, okay? And then you apply if you got a 25 score. So I got a score of 30, so I'm already qualified. You heard? That goon is qualified. So we qualified in this bitch, but they wouldn't give me the card. So it's real simple. You just go to the side over here, and you apply. Card funding, apply. Here's all the things they have. Credit monitoring, boom, boom, boom. Budget advisor, scores and limits. Trade experiences has your trade lines. It has funding stream. So it's good information to know. So you got my credit safe score at 53. So they're saying I'm worth like $1,500 already for credit approval. For business credit, that's just what Credit Safe says, which is another new credit bureau. And Equifax Business, they got me at a 468. Now they say 500. At a 500, you can start getting credit. So when you got an Equifax business credit score at 500, you gonna start getting business credit straight like that, my dudes. So this is Fair Figure, and it's pretty easy to use and intuitive. I want to get right into why they wouldn't give me a credit card. The reason why, apply for funding, the reason why I got denied is because I have a foreign entity. All right, straight like that. If you have a foreign entity, they will not give you credit straight like that. You cannot get credit if you have a foreign entity, which I have. I'm in California. However, my business is out of Wyoming, okay? I'm out of Wyoming. All my paperwork is legit. Everything is in good standing. Everything is on the up and up. As you can see, everything is popping with the goon, okay? Everything is on the up and up, and I got my situation straight. All right, but Method Solutions, everything is good. Boom, boom, boom. I got my trade lines. Don't worry about that. Pending doesn't mean nothing. We scroll down. So they got my Equifax trades. 2 trades they're showing. The Credit Safe shows 3 trade lines. Their Fair Figure, their internal score. They got 2 trade lines they're showing. It would be 3 if they gave me the Fair Figure card. But, everything clean slate. As you can see, clean slate. JJ Gold, got my JJ Gold trade line reporting. So this is 3,600, as you can see. 3,600 JJ Gold. So JJ Gold is a good one. You just add more trade lines. You just go right here, click add more trade lines. And, Novos to get a business bank account. I got that one. This is an easy one to get. CEO Creative. So this one's an easy one to get too. Oh yeah, CEO Creative. I just said that. Grow Edgy. Yeah, so basically, you goons have to have EIN, business, and it's got to be in your home state, and it's got to match, your home state. So that's the only reason they wouldn't give it to me, because I have a foreign entity. All right, straight like that. So that's the reason why I didn't get approved. But as you can see, I was approved for, I would have got 5,000. All right. So I would have got 5,000. So it's easy to get as long as you have a eligible LLC. See, eligible 5,000. So that's the only issue I can say with Fair Figure though. But it still reports though. So some other lenders, they let you get credit with with a foreign entity. Some people are cool with that. You know, it's legal to do. It's legal to have a foreign entity. All right, it's not no illegal shit, my goons. It's 100% legal. And so that was the only issue I got really with Fair Figure. And like I said, it's $30 a month, and they can keep track of all your stuff. You know, your funding stream, your monitoring, you know, your scores and limits, your budget. You know, pretty much everything about your business, how it's going, the ups, the downs, pretty much every single thing. You know, it shows you, you know, money going in, money going out, all that. And so it's all good. So basically, Fair Figure. This is a trade line that you can get, and it reports every month. All right, this is an easy to get. You know, easy to get funding amount. Would have given me 5 racks, but I got a foreign entity, and they do not fund foreign entities. I talked to the customer service agent, so I was like, hey, yo, my scores is on point. What's happening? Y'all talking about you need a 25 to get funded, and I got a 30. You heard? What's up with that? You talking about 5 racks. And so this one is easy to get, but like I said, that was the only issue I had. No foreign entity. So just know that when you go to Fair Figure, they don't do foreign entity. But aside from that, Fair Figure is good. Fair Figure is legit. So just hit the site, and they have, you know, they have a variety of resources. Just go hit the top, you know, news and resources, and you can learn a lot about business credit, different things about business credit. You know, net 30s. They teach you about net 30s. Just click load more. Just give you all kind of, you know, cards with no personal guarantee. Net 60 vendors. Tier 1 business credit vendors, business trade lines, secured business credit cards. You know, no revenue business loans. Is it real? All that, you know, you just click. There's so much different articles and so much sauce you can learn just on this page about business funding. So a lot of goons want business funding. Pull up to Fair Figure. All right, this is just one that I use. It's legit. It's official. It works. Just know that you got a foreign entity, they won't give you credit. But aside from that, you get credit here. You get credit within like 60 days from Fair Figure. For sure. Straight like that. So, yo, you found the value in this video? You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off with the crazy powerful credit game for the goons. You know who? The one and only Spontaneous Productions. And if you want crazy game on how to do credit sweeps, how to clean any credit profile in 7 days, I'm talking about wiping off all the negative information so you can get a high credit score. You can apply for funding and get the bag. You want other advanced credit methods you can't get nowhere else, how to build a fire profile, how to get authorized user trade lines for $50, even as low as $25. Start a credit business. You can resell all that. I got a credit company. I'll show you how to start a credit company. You get all this crazy funding. Get 100 racks, 200 racks, 500 racks in business, credit, and personal. Tap into my private money group chat. All right, 500 my goons. I'll put you on game. Crazy sauce. I'll show you all the methods, step-by-step walkthrough. I'll show you how to do this because I do this, son. You know the vibes. You've been following my channel for a minute, so you already know how we does it. We got the receipts. We really bust down, and all the goons always win, always blast off, and this happens with this channel. You heard? That's facts, straight like that. So yo, 500, and I make sure you get right. All the sauce you need to win, all the gems. You heard? Like no other. And yo, do me one more solid before you go. Follow me on Instagram at Spontaneous Productions. Till next time, my girl, you don't blast off and, you know, credit sweep your file. I'm telling you, you get a clean credit profile, so you got a brand new start. Don't sleep. You could do it for other people too, and start a credit business and clean up all kind of people's files and change lives. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna blast off, get this credit. Tap in fairfigure.com. Good trade line, $30 a month, straight like that. Reports. Till next time. Yeah.